Xiaomi is back with its latest flagship earbuds, the Buds 5 Pro, with premium sound, insane noise cancellation, and a triple driver setup. Are these the best earbuds for the price? We've got them in hand, and today we're giving you our first impressions. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Buds 5 Pro look a lot like the standard Buds 5, but with one key difference. These have an in-ear design with silicone ear tips. That means a better seal, a more secure fit, and enhanced noise isolation. So if you found the open earbuds 5 a little loose, these might be your perfect fit. Let's talk about the most important thing, sound quality. The Buds 5 Pro are packed with a triple driver setup, an 11mm dynamic driver, a planar driver, and DPZT tweeters for crisp highs. Plus, they support aptX lossless for high-resolution audio at 48 kHz by 24-bit. Long story short, expect deep bass, rich mids, and crystal clear treble. And if you love peace and quiet, the Buds 5 Pro bring up to 55 dB of noise cancellation, plus improved wind noise reduction. Whether you're in a busy cafe or on a flight, these should keep the world out. Oh, and there's more. Head tracking for spatial audio, dual device pairing, and customizable EQ settings make these some of the most feature-packed earbuds out there. Battery life, Xiaomi promises up to 8 hours on a single charge and a total of 40 hours with the case. Plus, you get wireless charging. And for durability, the buds themselves are IP54 rated for water and dust resistance, perfect for workouts or rainy days. So, are the Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro the ultimate flagship earbuds? On paper, they bring premium audio, top-tier noise cancellation, and a sleek design, all at a competitive price. But are they worth it over the competition? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.